I think the real future will be more about collaboration and partnership, because what the fintechs do well is that customer experience, is knowing what that customer wants in a broader ecosystem.
In the fintech space, you have to know that there are large investments that are made now in RegTech and cybertech.
So far, yes, GPI has absolutely helped provide a greater level of transparency in the payment space. I think for GPI to be really, for us to feel the full benefits of it, we need to have greater adoption.
A smooth, payments process will give the consumers no time to have a second thought.
If blockchain is a successful technology and we get to that unimaginable day where there's a single one for everything, that's going to be good for us.
When we talk about legacy systems, too, in this payment space, we often couch them as if they were outdated and should be gone versus the new technology. And the reality is those legacy systems get updated by virtue of new technologies.
What you want for innovation to foster is this ability to have many participants in that environment. So, you're not only just creating competition, but collaboration in this vibrant infrastructure.
Now that all of us, I think, have connected and actually work and create this new ecosystem, I think we're actually driving towards delivering much better solutions, and we will see that banks are still relevant.
Those institutions that will win are those that put the customer at the center, those who embrace data and extract value out of it and prioritize it as a critical component for success.
How do we get beyond this adopted system that we have that is keeping us anchored in yesterday's capabilities, not today's?
I think there's an element of it's a new technology, we've got to find a use for it. We've had cryptocurrencies. Well, why can't the government issue these things now? They're not talking about replacing cash. They're talking about whether or not there might be a need for an alternative, a complement.
So I think that the bank of the future needs to be thinking about how they leverage data as a strategic asset to grow the business.